I bet you didn't know you could make money on YouTube without creating a single video yourself. Yep, you heard that right. Let's dive into some clever ways you can cash in without making your own content. First up, consider starting a compilation channel. Gather and edit clips from various sources, with proper permissions of course, and create engaging compilation videos. Think funny fails, best moments, or inspiring stories. Next, reaction videos are gold. You can react to trending videos, popular memes, or viral news. Just show your authentic reactions and add your thoughts. Another great option is to curate playlists. By organizing popular videos into themed playlists, you can attract viewers who love binge-watching related content. Finally, don't forget about YouTube Shorts. Repurpose existing content into short, catchy clips. You'd be surprised at how quickly these can go viral. And there you have it, 4 simple ways to earn on YouTube without making original videos. Get started today and watch those views and dollars roll in. Good luck, creators!